This is the practice sheet to learn the tables. By using this sheet, child will not only learn the tables but he also learn how to use the keyboard in the computer system. If we enter the correct values, the color of the cells automatically changes to blue. But if we enter the wrong value, the colors of the cells doesn't change. So in this way, he can know where he is making the mistake. Now I am going to show you what the logic is working behind this sheet. For this, I am going to delete all these values. As I told you, this is a dynamic file and I am here going to change the value to 15 and all the data in the bottom part is changes to 15. Here I have used the formula equal to A2. Whatever I will written in the A2 cell, it will copied in the bottom part automatically. So here I am putting the value manually and I want to check the system. If 15 into 1 equal to 15, then the color of this cell automatically changes to blue. So it is working. But when I write down wrong value, it doesn't change. So for this I am using the conditional formatting. For this I have to go to home, conditional formatting, manage rule. For this I have already created a rule. I have written here equal to E3 equal to A3 into C3. I am asking the computer to check if the value of E3 equal to A3 into C3, then to change the color of all these cells to blue. Now I want to change the color to green. Now I will click OK. OK. So all the colors will automatically change to green. So in this way this sheet is working